Have you ever wondered why a fruit salad needs only 3 ingredients? Today, we break down the science of simplicity and how a tangy lime and mandarin dressing transforms ordinary fruit into a delightful medley. To start, we look at the foundation, chopping fresh fruits like strawberries and mangoes into bite-sized pieces. This isn't just about convenience, it increases surface area, allowing every piece to absorb the dressing perfectly. The secret lies in our custom dressing, the juice of 1 lime and 1 mandarin orange mixed with exactly 1 tablespoon of honey. This combination creates a perfect balance of tangy citrus notes and light sweetness. From a nutritional standpoint, this simple medley is packed with nature's best vitamins. Unlike complex desserts, this recipe requires no cooking or complicated steps, preserving the natural enzymes and fiber in the fruit. Let's explore the texture. By combining firm apples with soft melons, we create a sensory experience that delights both the eyes and the palate. It is as easy as it gets, proving that gourmet results come from fresh ingredients. This approach aligns with modern healthy eating trends found on platforms like Pinterest, where users seek quick, easy recipes that fit into a busy lifestyle without sacrificing flavor or nutritional value. The most impressive fact is that you can prepare this creamy and tasty treat entirely with hands-on effort. It turns out that the complexity we seek in food often distracts us from nature's simple, delicious sweetness. So there you have it. The science of a perfect fruit salad is right in your kitchen. What is your favorite fruit combination? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more deep dives into culinary simplicity.